Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm Nick, aka Dad.
And I'm Addie, aka the Monkey.
Hey, and today we are really excited because today we find out the winners of our giveaway. Now, we had lots of comments and we really appreciate everybody who participated in this giveaway. So let's get to it and get to our third place person who's going to win the $50 to Auxbeam, which you could use for lighting, their switch panels. They've got a number of different things, so that code we will send to you. But to all of our winners, whoever they may be, we will get in touch with you and get you those codes, whether it's from the companies themselves or we'll be sending them to you ourselves. So we'll be in touch with you, but let's get to it. In third place, let's find out what we've got. We've got our number of winners are 3. Let's see who's in third place. It's loading the comments. So in third place for the $50 Auxbeam, we've got Robbie Schuff, who had mentioned he really wanted those rear Molly panels. So congratulations, Robbie. We will be getting you your $50 Auxbeam gift code here soon. In second place, we have at David Kaiser. Amen on the recovery gear, a must, which we totally agree. That is, if you don't have a winch or anything and you're out wheeling, it's great to have recovery gear. So David, congratulations on your second place or runner up, and you'll be getting the ExoShield gift card. So we will have ExoShield reach out to you with that discount code. And drum roll please, the winner of the grand prize for the $100 to Turn Off Road is William Ogie. Hopefully I'm not pronouncing that wrong, but yeah, William, congratulations on winning the Turn Off Road $100 gift card. Looks like your comment was Molly Panels is on my list. Well, great, because Turn Off Road has some amazing panels, and I am sure you will absolutely love them, whether you have a 2-door or 4-door. But we will have them reach out to either you or have us send you that gift code for $100 to Turn Off Road. So congratulations to everyone for the winning and for just participating. So we really appreciate it. Thanks to everybody who participated, and congratulations to all of our winners. We will be reaching out to you shortly. We'll be sending comments to you through that video, so be sure to be watching for our replies, and then you can email us back at monkeybusiness62011@gmail. We'll put that right down here. So just reply back to us so we can get you hooked up with either ExoShield or Turn Off Road, or we can just email you the codes ourselves. But again, we really appreciate everybody participating and watching this video. We've got more to come, so don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Hit that bell notification so you know of future videos we've got coming out, which we have a lot of content still coming and products we're putting on our Bronco that you can put on yours. So, as always, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.
Bye.